You're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vera King. If you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new to my channel, you're coming across my channel for the very first time, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I talk about entrepreneurship and how to make money on the internet. In my previous video, I talked about a new live streaming app that is newly launched on the internet, and I promised I was going to make a video on a step-by-step guide on how to register on the app, do your face verification, and start earning. So in today's video, I'm going to take you on a step-by-step guide on how to register on the app. First and foremost, what's the name of this live streaming app? The name of the app is Meto App. Meto App is a new live streaming app that was launched recently on the internet. So it is still very new and the earning is very high. So if you are interested in live streaming, this is for you. For you to start, you have to download the app. Please check on the description of this video. I have dropped the link to where you can download the app. You will click on it and it will take you to Play Store where you can download the app. If you are an iOS user, an iPhone user, sorry, this app is not for you. It's only on the Android. So if you're an Android user, this app is for you. Congratulations, you can start making money on this app. So click on the link in the description of this video. It will take you to Play Store. You download the app. After you have downloaded the app from Play Store, you click on Open and it will open up the app. Then you give it time to load up. Now it will bring you to this interface where it will ask you to sign up using two options, either the quick start or signing up with your Google account. I will advise you to use your Google account because it's easier and safer. In case you change your device, all you have to do is to still sign in the new device with your Google account and you are good to go. So click on the Google because that is what I use to sign up. If that is okay by you, go ahead and use the Google to sign up. Allow it to load up depending on your network. If your network is fast, it will not take time. Now I have two Google accounts, so I will use the first one. I'll click on the first one and I will agree and share and continue. Now it will bring you to this interface where it will ask you to choose your sex. My sex is female because I'm a female. If you are a male, you can go ahead and choose me. Then click on continue. Then it will next, and it will bring you to this interface where it will ask you to input your basic information. Now you can see that it's showing Meto Checker because that's the name registered on my Google, my Gmail. So that is why it's showing that. If you want to leave that as your nickname, fine, but if you don't want to leave that, you can change it to whatever you want to. As for me, I don't want to use that. I have a nickname, so I'm going to erase it and write my nickname, which is Vera King. Then the next thing is your region. The app has automatically picked your region for you, so you don't have to start picking a region. It has already picked Nigeria for you. The next thing is for you to input your date of birth. Go ahead and input your date of birth. And then click on next to continue. Now it will bring you to this interface where you have to put your profile picture. Here, it will ask you to put a profile picture, beautiful profile picture. He said a beautiful profile picture can help you get more exposure and fans. So put a very beautiful profile picture. Go ahead and click on the camera icon and it will open your gallery where you can input your profile picture. Now after that, you click on complete, click on complete. And that is how you set up your profile. Now it will bring you to this interface now where you say go live. Okay, as you can see, it gives you 10,000 coin a welcome bonus. Now you want to go live, it all depends on you. If you want to do your face verification first, fine, but on this app it's not compulsory for you to do your face verification first, but it is compulsory for you to do your verification, but you can still go live without your face verification. Now here it will ask you to put a poster. You cannot go live without adding a poster. A poster is a picture of yourself or anything you want to use. Go ahead and pick any profile picture of your choice. For me, like I said, I don't have more picture here, so I'm still going to use that previous picture I used. I'll just click on it and continue. After you must have put the poster, then you can go live. You can click on go live and go live. Yeah, as you can see, I'm live. Yeah, on this app, they will finish you with call. You can see a call coming in. That is one thing about this app. The moment you come in, you'll be receiving call, and the more calls you receive, the more money you make. So there's where it says my microphone was not working and all of that, all you have to do is go back to your phone setting and turn on your microphone and you are good to go. If you come to this interface now, you see that my welcome bonus is there. So this is my profile. I clicked on my profile. Yeah, if you have anything to edit, you can go ahead and edit it here. This is also where you do your face verification. Now you can see coin, profile, tax, agent, and all of that. And this app is not compulsory for you to join any agency, but if you want to join an agency, it's good and fine. You can go ahead and join an agency. But if you don't want to join an agency, you can just go ahead and perform your tax. So let's click on tax and see the tax we have to do. Yeah, here you can see newbie tax. So there are tax for newbie. For your first registration, your first time of registering, these are the tax you have to perform. You create a video room for 10 minutes, you get 5,000. You go live for 20 minutes, you get 5,000. You chat, you talk, somebody call on a video you pick and you speak with the person, you get 4,000, and you have to do that times 4. Then also somebody call you on video chat for 30 seconds, you get 2,000, and you have to do that times 4. Whenever your point has gotten to 100,000 and you withdraw 100,000 gems, you also get 20,000 gems. Those are the newbie tax on the app. There are daily tax too, but before we go to the daily tax, let's try one of the newbie tax. So let's go for the 20 minutes, go live for 20 minutes. Yeah, let's click on that, go live for 20 minutes. Now I am going live. I will have to stay on this live for 20 minutes. After I stay on this live for 20 minutes and I go back there, I can claim my reward. Yeah, I can claim my reward after I stay for 20 minutes and go back. I can claim my reward. That is what you do for all the tags that are there. So the next one, video chat, for 60 seconds, you do it. Maybe when you are live and somebody calls you, you pick the call and you talk for 60 seconds. And okay, you can see when I upload my avatar, you can see that it has turned to a gift box. That gift box, once I click on it, I can receive my earning. Now you can see this one too that say accept random call. I accepted one random call out of 2. You can see that it has changed to a gift box. You click on it, you can also receive your earning. So that is just all you do. Basically, that's all you do and receive all your earning for the newbie earning. Now let's go to the face verification. Yes, I say it's not a must for you to do it before you go live, but it's important you do it. So let's go for the face verification. You go back to your profile, you click on it, then you click on face verification, and then you follow the prompt. It will give you instruction on what to do. Now you say face the camera with your front face, open your mouth. It will just give you instruction, tell you what and what to do. Blink your eyes. those are just the simple things you have to do for the verification. They are not so hard. The moment you are done with this and it's verified, it will tick it. You can see it has given me green dot. That is to say my face has been verified. So that's all you have to do on this app. Like I said, for you to earn on this app, the longer you stay on the app, the more money you make, because as people are calling in, that is how you will be receiving their call and you'll be earning more money. So that is all to this app. Thank you for watching to this point. I'm sure if you have stayed to this point, you must have gained some value, you must have gained something. So please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. That is how you encourage me to keep creating content and informative video. Turn on your notifications so that anytime I create a video and post on my channel, you will not miss out, because like I said, on this channel, it's all about how to make money on the internet. There are so many other live streaming apps that I'm going to be creating content on, but I will need you to encourage me by liking my video, sharing my video, subscribing to my channel. That will encourage me to keep creating content. Thank you very much for staying up to this time. See you in my next video.